Good morning, Jimmy.
Is it?
You look wiped.
Been up fixing my bike all night.
Mind checking mine out?
Build a rocket. You can't fix your own bike?
Whoa, hey, I'll check you later when you're more human, buddy.
Okay, fine. Check her out.
You sprained something?
Blisters. I walked 5 miles yesterday.
What was it, some sort of training thing or something?
Some kind of torture thing. She took me apart.
Who?
Women.
You run with older women. Juniors are tough, man.
Yeah, well, she's a lot easier than
Then what?
fixing a bike.
Wish it was easier for me.
Glory?
Yeah. You know the problem with girls? They operate totally outside the laws of science.
No kidding.
I mean, every time I think I got everything together with Glory, it's whammo.
Hey, you want to hand me that 3/8 over there?
The what?
The wrench.
Oh, yeah, sure. Hey, I got one of these this morning, too. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, doesn't Vats have an old VCR around here somewhere? Well, why don't we go check it out, man?
Okay. We'll see if it still works.
Well, they've got to be there someplace. Sydney, did you see this? The Countess's invitation? I haven't taken my eyes off it since it came. Of course I'll hold. What'd you think? Well, I haven't seen it yet. I need head cleaner for my VCR. But I heard about it. And everyone who's over 13 and under 18 got invited. Well, just keep trying. The pool is not that big. Sydney, who are you looking for? Mila. She's with your brother. He's giving her a swimming lesson. Wait till she sees this tape. Sydney, I thought this was supposed to be a surprise party for Mila. Well, believe me. Wouldn't you like to know what you were in for? No, I wouldn't. I like surprises. Well, there's a difference between surprise and shock. Sydney, I owe it to Mila as her friend. Mila? Mila, finally. Sydney?
She doesn't trust me for a second.
How's the swimming lesson going?
Great. Garrett really knows his way around the pool.
I feel one of those sugar rushes coming on.
Oh, Sydney.
Mila, how soon can you meet me at your house?
Well, we're not finished yet.
It's very important.
Let's see. We've got to dry off, get changed.
The sooner the better. Great.
Garrett, I've got to meet Sydney. It sounds important.
5 more minutes.
I can't. I promise, Sydney. But I wish I didn't have to go.
How about another lesson tomorrow?
I'd like that. I'm still not comfortable with the water.
We'll fix that.
Garrett, how well do you know Sydney?
Well, we've been hanging out all our lives. There's nothing much else to do at Swans Crossing.
What do you think Sydney might want?
With Sydney, you never know. Careful. Don't force it.
It's not going in.
It's okay. You don't have to thank me.
Could have rode home on a cracked fuel line.
Not in one piece.
Yeah, right. Not if you threw it on the ground.
Hey, I didn't know you couldn't catch.
You got a lot to learn about throwing.
Oh, sorry, did I hit you?
Look at my bike.
It's in a lot better shape than your fuel line.
Or my feet.
Or your ears.
Time. Time out, you guys. Come on. Looks like you just got invited to a funeral.
Worse, a party. It came on some pink videotape.
Hey, just what we're about to see. What do you say?
Yeah.
Just press play.
Hey, Garrett.
Showtime. Wait, I can't find the head cleaner. Watch it on my TV. No one should miss this. Sydney! Surprise! Surprise! Party! Surprise! love.
Mama loves Mila. Tu Tu loves Mila. Tu Tu loves Mila. Mila loves you. Mama
Birthday, birthday.
loves Mila.
Happy birthday, Mila.
Tu Tu loves
One,
Mila.
one,
You
Friday.
Tu loves
Friday,
Mila.
8 o'clock.
Mila
Surprise,
loves Mila.
Oh, this is worse than a funeral.
Who would do this to her? I had to show you.
I'm glad you did.
Really?
Thanks.
What are friends for?
And it's not even my birthday.
Party! Surprise! Surprise! Birthday party! Birthday party!
She is beautiful to see. It's wonderful to be Mila. Mila. Mila.
Showstopper!
Mila. Sugar without spice. All little girls should be as nice as Mila. 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 She is Mama's little girl. There's no one in the world like Mila.
Baby doll! Baby doll! Baby doll!
What a little pearl. Watch the flags unfurl for Mila. She's the one for me.
A face everyone should love.
Mama loves Mila. Tu Tu loves Mila. Tu Tu loves Mila. Mila loves you. Mama
Birthday, birthday.
loves
Happy birthday, Mila.